Hey guys, this is the Gaming Ninja here, and today we are being opening more of the drops, or the gift box thing. I have 112. I'm going to try again to get the golden friend or the shark. I don't even know what it is. I've only watched like one video on it, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, what am I going to get? Coins, okay. I spent some of my coins. I still have 100. I have 138 right now because I just got 5 more. But okay, let's keep on going. I wonder when I'll get that. I wonder when I'll get it. How many gems do I need to spend to get it? Oh no, I was right on it. No. Okay, go again. Open it again. I'm actually having fun doing this series because this is fun opening this box. At least I think it is. And you never know what you're going to get. And when you get something you like, it's fun. More coins? How many? 50 more coins. That's cool. Another 50. Big head potion. Okay, I don't really want that, but I have 94 more, so let's go. Come on. Grenades. Okay. Let's spin it again. Go again. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? And I got a disco ball. Okay. Let's spin it again. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? And I got grenades. Okay. Come on, I can do it. I can do it. It's so close. And I got a new skin. What kind of skin is that? That looks weird. It's a scary demon. Use that as a template I'll try to think of anything. That would be cool. Oh no, it was right on top of it. Why did you have to do that to me, game? Come on. No. I'd rather have gems than the samurai. Or one of the guns. I wish I could buy the guns. It'd be so much better. Okay, let's open these again. Open it again. Gems, how many? 5, okay. Next, let's go. Come on, hurry. I don't want Hello Kitty. I got grenades. Okay, so that's next. Gems. Oh, no way. Oh, I was right on it. I have 2 free spins instead. I got coins for one of those free spins. Oh, 5. Okay. And let's open it again. More gems. How many? Please, 50. Oh, only 5. Okay, I'm gonna get. No. Whoa. Okay, we got Barry Plays Game. We got Barry here from his channel, Barry Plays Game. Say hi.
Hi.
Want me to get it? Please give me it. Oh, no. I got more coins. 10. Hey, I have 200 now. I just have like 700 till I spent some. Darn it. What kind? Is it like a leprechaun? Yeah. It looks like one. I just didn't. Oh, whoops. Man. More coins. 5 more. Let's open some more. And what am I going to get? Votes, okay. 3 votes. Oh, I don't know why I went out. Okay, what am I going to get? What am I going to get? Ooh, I got a free spin. Okay. Better than nothing. Just free spin. Oh, disco balls. Darn. More coins. I just wanted I just buy it. I just want it so bad. I want to just buy it. I've spent so much stuff. I just spent 300 on gems on my last episode. I spent 300 gems and I didn't get it. I'm just unlucky if I didn't get it. I spent 300. So, let's go again. I got the spaceman suits. Oh no, why did you want doing that? Okay. No, it was right there. The shark. Just big head potions. Just open this again. And I got Pirate Girl. What am I gonna get now? What am I gonna get now? What am I gonna get now? Gems. 5, okay. What am I gonna get now? And disco ball, really? Really, disco ball? You had to fail me now? I love dancing to you, but... Ugh, many. 10 coins. Okay, and I got a girl skin. A bride. Man, I'm really gonna use that. Very useful. Oh, it was right there. 2 free spins though. It's good. Open that one. What am I gonna get? The big head potion. Open another one. What am I gonna get? And I got 2 more free spins. Okay, this is gonna be the one right here. These are gonna be the ones. These 2 spins right here. Oh no, there's a big head potion. Okay, what am I gonna get now? Okay, what am I gonna get? Oh, this is gonna be the one. Coins. Darn. 5 more coins. I bet you could have enough coins where I could just buy it. Ugh. Come on. No. Why couldn't you have stopped right there? Okay, let's go again. A bear.
That'd be good for me.
Yep, that'd definitely be good for Barry. He should wear that all the time, but it's not armor. You can only use it in the sandbox. Oh, more coins. 5 more coins. And I'm going to keep on doing videos like this. So this is like part 3. Yeah, part 3. So I'm going to keep on doing videos like this so that until I get it. So next I may be spending like $20 on it. I'm not sure. Because I really want one of these things. Okay, and then if I end up getting it and not spending all the gems, then I can just use it on some of my upgrades for my guns. I can upgrade my prototype for the gem upgrade, which is hard to get. It costs so much. Oh, darn. It's always 1 over, so I'm going to go back 1 and go. Now I need to go forward 1. Okay, I should have just did that. Okay, come on. I sneezed. Man. Okay, let's go again. Oh, I'm running out. Oh, good. Yes, good. That's good. Good. I got a free spin. Because I only have 2 more spins left. This is one of them. And this is my last one right here. This is going to be the one. And I got more coins. Okay. Darn. Okay, is there a gym box I can do? Okay, since this video I don't think is that long, I'm just going to go ahead and do a deathmatch for you. Let's do block marts. And I'll also show you the things I got. So, I got something I'm really excited about. I did get this. The match just finished as soon as I got in. That's not fair. Okay, so I did get this. It is awesome. I absolutely love it. It is so good. I like it. Look at this. I'm going to find someone to use it on. People, hello everyone. It's good. You're like, you probably be like, if it was good, then why isn't it a one-shot kill? Because it's a primary weapon. Usually no primary weapons are one-shot kills. Ah, turrets. Okay, come on. Oh yeah. Also beat this off camera. I also beat the campaign fully off camera. If you want me to show you how I did it, I will. But it's hard. The last level I struggled on. I think this gun that from I got from the campaign is better than what I had. I had the Apocalypse in it from my this one. Still didn't play that. I did also get. Now I'm getting kills for days now. I did also get the gas launcher. It's also a gun I didn't mean to get. I was going to get the acid cannon, but I accidentally scrolled over one when I was going to buy it, the acid cannon, and I got this. But I didn't know how good it was, but I love it. Especially for close range, it's good. If it was a melee weapon, then I would absolutely destroy. Everyone's glitching. Darn it, I free connection to the room. It's the Wi-Fi is going out here for some reason. I just really wanted to make a video. It usually loads back up like that, yeah. Oh, jeez. Get wrecked. Oh, you guys need gas launchers. And I did get the pistol. It's pretty good. I like it. Oh, I free connected to them again? Why? It should just work. The Wi-Fi's not. How's the Wi-Fi here? The Wi-Fi is 1 bar. How? It's not like we're in the middle of nowhere. Should work fine. Okay. So I'll just get on. I'll try just no players yet. I'll do knife party. I'll show you guys knife party. I'll show you guys the new melee weapon I got. Because my other one of the sights and it was not very good. I got the katana. I like it. It's like whenever I see someone, come on, someone here. I hear them. Oh, I just see them and I just show up like this and get them. It's good. Katana versus katana. Whoa, I won. And I got more health. I think I got more health for getting on a streak. Let's get all that up. And I figured out that the thing that kind of looks like it's called like the grabber. That is in the gift box. So I thought that'd be cool if I got it. This thing, the thing that this guy's using right now. It's in the gift box. I thought it was a gun and like a launcher. But I guess it's not. Kill him! No, I fell in the lava. Get him. Oh. Yeah. Oh, darn. I'm 3rd place. You can just walk around swinging this thing, and whenever you see someone, they die. Like this. Darn. Oh, still getting those things. I have to reconnect to the room now, don't I? Darn. No, I don't. That guy's just glitching. No. I do. Okay. I don't know why it's doing that, but I did show you a little bit of my new guns. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of opening gifts. And see you next time, and peace out.